the SMX playoffs definitely did not start the way that Julien Beaumer or KTM would have wanted. In Q2 of the Charlotte round, the first round, he ended up crashing in the rhythm section and was out for the night. With the post on the KTM USA Instagram saying, Red Bull KTM factory racing rider Julien Beaumer has unfortunately been ruled out of SMX Playoff 1. Following his crash in the final 250 SMX qualifying session, he has been transported to the hospital for further evaluations. Obviously, that was earlier in the day before the races, and as of an hour ago, as I'm recording this, from Lewis Phillips saying, quote, Julien Beaumer sustained a burst fracture of his L3 vertebra and has had surgery to stabilize it. So that is definitely the end of his year. Sucks to see. I mean, he's had a pretty good Supercross, and then from there, it's just been, I mean, obviously the concussion at Budds Creek, and now the crash here. Not a very good end to his season. And sadly, I mean, injuries are a thing of this sport. The only, I guess, good thing you can say is if it's been stabilized, that sounds like it's at least a positive thing. You're not worried about it being at least a continuation problem. And from now, just take the rest of the playoffs off, take the off season, get fully healed and get ready for Supercross. But hopefully it is not a super serious thing. I mean, with a burst fracture of the L3, I mean, it does not sound good, but if it's already been, I don't want to say fixed, it's not the right word, but it's already been, worked on or at least stabilized, like they say, or like he said, that's at least a positive, at least in my mind. But it sucks to see. I mean, knock on wood, that it isn't a super serious thing that's going to continue for a very long time. And hopefully it is fixed and he can just heal up back to 100%. If we hear anything else or any sort of updates from this, I will continue to provide them for you. But sucks to see. I mean, you never want to see anybody get hurt. It makes the racing and the product or the visual product less, but I don't know. Just want to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to either of the two final rounds? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you say. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.